New York City's history spans centuries, evolving from a small Native American settlement to one of the world's most influential cities. Before European arrival, the region was inhabited by the Lenape people, who lived off the land for thousands of years. In 1609, Henry Hudson explored the area for the Dutch, leading to the founding of New Amsterdam in 1624 on the southern tip of Manhattan. The Dutch colony was later captured by the British in 1664 and renamed New York. During the 18th century, New York became a key port in the British colonies, thriving on trade, agriculture, and slavery. It played a critical role in the American Revolution, 1775 to 1783, with significant battles and the eventual British occupation. After the war, New York briefly served as the capital of the United States until 1790. The 19th century saw massive immigration and rapid urbanization. The opening of the Erie Canal in 1825 cemented the city's status as the nation's busiest port. By the late 1800s, New York's population soared, driven by immigrants, particularly from Europe, contributing to its multicultural identity. Industrialization led to extreme wealth disparity, with the elite constructing grand mansions while the working class crowded into tenements. The Gilded Age and the Progressive Era, late 19th to early 20th century, were marked by growth in culture and finance, symbolized by iconic landmarks like Central Park and the Empire State Building, 1931. New York became the center of global finance, culture, and arts, attracting waves of immigrants via Ellis Island. New York's role in World War II cemented its global importance, but the city faced challenges in the 1970s, including a near bankruptcy and rising crime. The late 20th century brought a revival, with the city's economy rebounding and crime rates dropping. The 9/11 attacks in 2001 were a defining moment, leading to significant loss but also inspiring a remarkable rebuilding effort, exemplified by the One World Trade Center. Today, New York City remains a global hub of finance, media, technology, and culture, continuing to shape the world's economic and artistic landscapes, while facing challenges like inequality and affordable housing.